Enkosi ngokuhlala nathi kanti ngokumbukeli ubusando lokungena ubukaduphi sesiqola siyayiqonqotha kaloku Euro yethu yokugqibela kanti ke hey ukhelo ebekhona esiphefumlisa ngenxeba jonga inhliziyo andanobe lapha kum ngaphakathi wena mamtshali okanye iphumile ingaphandle andazi kancede
ayikwazi phela ukuphuma sana ayikwazi
andiqonda ngasendinayo na andanoba ndinikeze umuntu othile andazi kuningi kuhlangahlangene it's a lot I mean sinjalo Ekhaya Jikelele siyaqiniseka into yokubana sikuphathela imvumi ezawuchukumisa ingcambu yenhliziyo yakho njengombukeli kanti ke sikuphathele ezopolitiko ezemidlalo udliwano ndlebe man sazi into yokubana uqhubeka ntoni okusinqungileyo right mamtshali
kubaluleke kakhulu ukuthi sicijise sihlezi ngazo zonke izikhathi sazi ukuthi kwenzakalani ezweni sakhile okwamanje ke mbukela ke sibheke ihamba phambili.
Umongameli ke wase-China uthembise ukuba ilizwe lakhe lizaxhasa uMzantsi Afrika ngenjongo zokuphuhlisa icandelo lezolimo.
It's my right to vote. Yeah, I didn't vote yesterday, so it was extended. So I'm here.
Isiqalile ukufika imphumela yokhetho lasezweni lomakhelwane beningizimu Afrika iZimbabwe njengoba amaqembu ezombusazwe edlana imilala nje kuleli yazwe.
Luchani nginguleno sigusheshelo umhajo ikwekwezi FM emthonjeni 9 to 12 siyakwamukela ehleleni elitsha likamabona kude lendaba ezinabileko ekhaya jikelele sikhamba nawe noyomsebenzini uchinge esikolweni konke okuhloka kuyokuthola zamba nje siphuma phambili indaba siqahe ngezemidlalo ubujamo bezulu ukuthi nawuphuma ekhaya wazi ukuthi umbathe njani konke okuhloka ngelimi oluzwisisako la ku SABC News.
Sisashukuqa ke umba wengqongqothela yase-BRICS umongameli wase-China Xi Jinping uthi ke ilizwe iChina liza kusungula amanyathelo okuxhasa ushishino kwizwekazi Afrika kunye nokuphuculwa kwezolimo ebethetha ke kwingxoxo neenkokheli zase-Afrika emva kokuvalwa kwengqongqothela ye-15 ye-BRICS eGauteng kule ngqongqothela ke amalungu e-BRICS avumile ukwamkela kumkhumbi amazwe amathandathu amatsha aquka ke amazwe ase-Afrika iYiputa ne-Ethiopia.
Africa is moving at an accelerated speed toward the bright prospects envisioned in Agenda 2063 and making all-out efforts to build a new Africa that enjoys peace, unity, prosperity and strength. China and Africa must work together to create a sound environment for realizing our respective development visions. Let's work together to promote a just and equitable international order.
Isiqalile ukungena imphumela yokhetho likazwelonke ezweni eliwumakhelwane iZimbabwe. Izakhamuzi zaseZimbabwe zinikele ezikhungweni zokuvota ngolwesithathu kuyokhetha umengameli kanye namalungu eParliamente. Lithelwe ilahla kunini izolo izifunde engaphansi kweziyishumi ezingama210 bese iphothulileke ukubala amavoti azo. Leyo mphumela ngeyamalungu eParliamente kanti imphumela yesikhundla sobumengameli kulindeleke ukuthi yona iqala ukungena ezinsukwini ezimbili ezizayo. Kepha ke umthetho osisekelo waseZimbabwe ukhomba ukuthi kufanele ukuthi ibisingeni lemphumela ezinsukwini ezinhlanu ezizayo.
As the police, we have got a constitutional mandate to protect the country's internal security. So there's no going back in terms of maintenance of law and order in the country. We want to urge Zimbabweans that as the Zimbabwe Electoral Commission finalizes the voting process and the counting of the ballots, Zimbabweans should remain peaceful and wait for the official election results.
The results are well. We voted well yesterday and we are enjoying the results. So far, the results are good.
We want good development here. We want to work indigenization to make it up.
Igqwetha likaMulimo Maruhanye nowaziwa ngelika Jubjub ujongene namatyala li-13 liqalele inkundla ukuba lihlehlisiwe umhla wesibhozo kuNovemba ityala lakhe. Kanti ke igunya abantu lezotshishiso lithi liqinisekisile ukuba linetyala eliqatha ngakuMaruhanye. Maruhanye uvele okwethutyana kwinkundla kaMantyi yaseRhawutini. Inkundla ke ibigcwele ngonondaba yeyamiswa ngokufutshane ukuba uJujub athethe negqwetha lakhe malunga nokuba bakhululekile kusini nanga lomba usasazwayo. Nalapho ke amajelo evunyelwe ukuba aqhubeke nomsebenzi njengoko uJubjub engumntu oqhele ukuba phambi kwekhamera. Igqwetha ke likaJubjub lifuna ixesha elongezekileyo lokufunda idocket ukuze ke ukuza nendlela zenkqubela phambili.
Amaphoyisa KwaZulu-Natal asivikele isenzo samaphoyisa abonakala kuvideo ekhahlela abasolwa abathile. Lesi sigameko siqoshwe emgwaqweni othela wayeka uN11 ngaseNewcastle enyakatho yeKwaZulu-Natal kulona leli sonto. Kanti amaphoyisa ngesikhathi egandaya abasolwa bebelele phansi. Le video isabalala einkundleni zokuxhumana kanti kuyo kubonakala amaphoyisa amahlanu emi eduze kwequlu labasolwa. Lesi sigameko sesiholeleke ekutheni kuqubuke eminye futhi imibuzo malungana nesihluku samaphoyisa ezakhamuzini ezingenawo amandla ukuyivikela. Okhulumela amaphoyisa esifundazweni iKwaZulu-Natal uColonel Robert Nechunda uthi abasolwa abebezama ukuduna imoto laba ababonakale lapha ya. Sikwamukele mbukeli wekhaya Jikelele, sibonga kakhulu ukuthi usahlanganyele kanye nathi. Mbukeli, njengoba nje kuyinyanga yabantu besifazane lapha ohlelweni, silokhu nje siqhubeka nokukulethela abantu besifazane ababambe iqhaza limqoka emkhakheni yahlukahlukene. Kanti ke njengoba lapha sinesigaba esibhekisisa nje inhlalo kanye nendlela abantu abaphila ngayo, sizobhunga ke ngengqungquthela ebizwa ngokuthi iWomen in Healthcare. Izodonsa ke izinsuku ezimbili eAltron Business Park eWoodmead. Le ngqungquthela ke mbukeli kuhloswe ngayo ukubhekisisa ingqinamba ibhekene nabesifazane emkhakheni wezempilo. Kanti ke izokube yethanyelwe nayiphi nilikaNgqongqoshe wezempilo uDokotela uSibongiseni Dlomo. Lapha ke endlini zokusakaza sinoDokotela uBrenda Kubheka okuyena ke umhleli walengqophamlando yengqungquthela. Sikubingelela Dr. Brenda, sikwamukele ohlelweni.
Ngiyabonga.
Sibonga kakhulu ukuthi ube nathi namhlanje kuseni.
Hayi nami ngiyajabula ukuba khona lapha.
Hayi cha ngiyayibona mina engqungquthela. Ake siqale nje kule you are a doctor, udokotela. And futhi not just any doctor but udokotela ke osakusidayo emkhakheni wezempilo. Ingabe mhlawumbe ufinyelele kanjani lapho khona njengamanje?
Ngingathi okuningi kuqale before umuntu abodokotela ngoba ngibe yisiguli ngisasemncane and futhi ngiphuma ekhaya abazali abahlangana esibhedlela ubaba uMabhalani umama unesi so yeah cha indlela
it was bound to
yes it was bound to happen bese kuthi ke la ngikhona kwenziwa yini indlela lengihambile izinto ezaffecte abantu abasebenza emkhakheni kwezempilo. And then nami njengesiguli nabantu engibazi njengeyiguli so ngachoose ukuthi ngilandele umkhakha okhuluma ngezinto lezi singajwayele ukukhuluma ngazo kodwa ezinomthelele ekuthena abantu baphatheka kanjani noma baphathwa kanjani.
So inhloso yale ngqungquthela ke ithini? Ngiyabona ke nokuthi yenzelwe abantu abasemkhakheni nje wezempilo ababantu besifazane.
Yebo yenzelwe thina impela ngoba sithi siyabantu besifazane sebenza kwezempilo kuneyinkinga esihlangabezana nazo abantu abangazazi. Ngizokupha nje isibonelo ekutheni uthole iphone call kuthiwa umama wakho ushonile kodwa uyasebenza use casualty uwena wedwa kune patient ephambi kwakho isiguli esiphambi kwakho esigulela ukufa okufanele ukuthi ukuswitch off ukuthi kambe bakufonele ekhaya bathini unake lo muntu ophambi kwakho. So yizo lezi zinto esingaxoxa ngazo nokwesinye isikhathi ekutheni uma besiqeqesha prepare enough for umsebenzi. So le ngqungquthela eyokuthi sikhulume ngalezi zinto bese sizama ukuthi sibone ukuthi yiziphi izinto esingazenza, ezinye sizithathe sizibuyisele emavasithi ekutheni nakho izinto ezifuna ukunakwa nokuthi senze izinto ngendlela ehlukile kulaba sebesebenza ukuthi sibabonise ukuthi zikhona izinhlelo zokuba support ezinye ezingakhosti imali, ezinye just nje ukuthi sibe sonke siwomama sibambisane ngoba siyazazi inkinga esizifesayo. Kukhona odokotela ba rapiwe ibhedlela, uyabona umuntu wesimame usebenza esibhedlela and noma une surgery abantu bebegula ngeke kubavimbe fanele umnyango wakho uhlala uvuliwe, uyabona. So izinye izinto lezi ekuthende abantu abaningi abazazi kodwa fanele kube yithina esiz elevate sikhulume ngazo sizame ukuthi siqhamuke neindlela ekuthi singazi addressa kanjani
neyisombululo ukuthi nga-addresswa kanjani. Ngiyazi ukuthi ngizule nokuthi kuzobe kukhona iphini likaNgqongqoshe udokotela uSibongiseni Dlomo avesebenza ke kodwa uma uDlomo njengoba ezobe khona nje ke dokotela ucabanga ukuthi ubukhona bakhe mhlawumbe bungasiza kule ngqungquthela nanokuthi yikuphi mhlawumbe inkinga noma ingqinamba eninazo enibona ukuthi uyazi ngokuba khona kwakhe zizokwazi ukuthi isombululeke.
Yebo, sithokozile ukuthi avume ukuzosingatha and sathatha i-chance sathi asimthumele simcela ukuthi akhulume ngani. Siyazazi inkinga ezinye lezi sengizishilo ezinye uyazazi kodwa into esifuna ukuyazi ukuthi umkhandlu yini into azoyenza nabayenzayo ekutheni abantu besifazane emsebenzini basimami bafile ngathi baprotectekile futhi as well. So sifuna ukwazi lokho nokuba khona kwakhe kuzosiza ekutheni sisupport nalama program esikhuluma ngawo ukuthi sifuna ukwasebenza siwabeke sisebenze siqhubeke so that kube ne-impact engabe ukuthi into nje ukuthi siyahlangana bese kuyahlukana sihlangana ihlukana sifuna into enempilo ende
ezoqhubekela phambili ibonakala ukuthi noma isiphelile ngqungquthela nisho ukuthi uyazi kuleya ngqungquthela esayibamba nakho okwaphuma khona nakho sesikuzuzile ikakhulukazi ekutheni kuthuthukiswe nje abantu besifazane ngoba ngithandile lokho ukuthi ngiyacabanga nje ukuthi nama ngumfundi evarsity ngenza medicine mhlawumbe ngiqeqeshwa ngokuthi this is how you operate umsika kanje umuntu wenza nje kodwa akekho ukuprepare mentally ukuthi wenze njani ke musu uyithola esimweni esikanjeni usebenza kanjani njalo njalo. So cha siyakubonga impela siyakutusa sikushayela izandla ukuthi uzobe khona ke iphini likaNgqongqoshe lapha yana kuyingqungqutheleni usho ukuthi impela hayi cha izohamba kahle. Ngiyazi ukuthi ke zikhona futhi nezikhulumi ezobe zikhona eziyabantu besilisa ingabe zona iliphi iqhaza elizoyibamba la kule ngqungquthela?
Yebo, so ke thina sikholele ekutheni siphila emhlabeni siphila nabantu besilisa angeke sikhulume sodwa sikhulume ekutheni sikhulumele ama right abantu besifazane emsebenzini singabiza abantu besilisa ekutheni ba understand ukuthi abantu besifazane mebesemsebenzini yiziphi izinto ezingabaphathi kahle yiziphi izinto ezingabenza ukuthi baphatheke kahle futhi basebenze kahle ekutheni ba excel kulokho abakwenzayo. Labantu esibakhethile sibakhethe ngokucophelela ngoba abantu esibazi ukuthi ba mentorishile beabantu besilisa ba mentorisha abantu besifazane beyond ukuthi baba mentorishe babavulela iminyango esikubiza ukuthi baba sponsorishile. So I record labo liyasikhulumela so sibabizile ke ekutheni because siyabathemba labantu mhlawumbe bangasitshela nezinto ezinye esingafuni ukuzizwa kodwa kufanele sizizwe khona sizokwazi ukuthi sibe ngcono siperforme kahle nasemsebenzini.
Hayi wayichaza kamnandi yazi ke sengiyaunderstand because bengiyibuza ngithi okay it's a women's conference so what are the men doing there because ngiyabona kuyipolitiki ukubona mabebamba lama women's league ngingaphatheki kahle ukuthi okay what are the men doing there because it's a women but uma uyichaza ngiyayithola because enye into ezosiza ukuthi nabo mase bephuma kule nkonfa bazokwazi qhubeka nabo bakhulume nabanyoza kwabo nabanye abantu besilisa ukuthi hawu yazi abantu besifazane la ebhedlela besinganakile ukuthi kanti odokotela nonesa bekho happy mangabe senza kanjena hey gentlemen ake sizameni indlela yokwenza ke senze ngenye indlela akugabisele nje ke umbukeli ukuthi ngeyicukuthwane noma izikhulumo ezobe zikhona lapha kule ngqungquthela.
Okay sino udokotela uMathonsi ocolonel oyisosha yes usina lapha emasosheni naye ozoza azoshare ekutheni udokotela emasosheni yini lababhekana nazo and usurvive kanjani. Sibe nomunye futhi oyiphysiotherapist uHajira oqala ibusiness lokuvula ama gym eindaweni lamajima amakhulu angekho kuzona lakhe emalokishini nani uyi physiotherapist you understand ukuthi umzimba womuntu ufanele uhlala unyakaza kanjani aphinda abe usomabhizinisi asebenzise lokho akuhlanganise ukwenza umehluko emphakathini kukhona no Tumelo Chaka Tumelo ubuye FNB omunye wabesilisa ubuye FNB uyi head of channels usebenza kakhulu ngeindlela zokungenisa amabhizinisi emateksini emalokishini in so naye uyeza in nalo insight yakhe nalento ukuthi une passion I always say uyi feminist une passion nothando labantu besifazana noku understand futhi ukuthi yini le ingqinamba ababhekene nazo and yena umuntu osilisa yini indima angayidlala wenza sure ukuthi kuyalevelisheka kuyavuleka iminyango abantu bakhona ungena abesilisa nabesifazana
manje Dr. njengoba umuntu asanga kanje iguli zakho zona isele nobani ngiyayibuza nje ukuthi iguli
sengathi mina isiguli sami si-computer isiguli sami i-computer so sekuyisikhathi ngisebenza behind the scenes sengisho ukusupport ibhedlela umsebenzi esenzayo thina okwenza sure ukuthi mongabuya esibhedlela uhambe uye operation endlebe ungaphumi kubakhathuni yawo ngoba umsebenzi esenzayo ke loyo so umsebenzi wethu behind the scenes and then also because of the nature of umsebenzi esenzayo uyabona ukuthi nawo engqondweni uyadimanda because ezinye izinto ziyahlukumezana uyabona but umsebenzi efanele siwenze nanokuthi ke mase kwenzekile lokho sikuthatha kanjani sikuse emkhakheni sikusema kuma university ukuthi ila ama gap esiwabonayo ukuthi kufanele addresswe uyabona ekutheni abantu mabekhathele babona kanjani bakhathele indawo fanele bangayemsebenzini nanokuthi sigadane sisodwa ukuthi hayi engathi dokotela ukhathela ukuthatha ikhefa because kuba na umthelela ekutheni abantu baphathwa kanjani uyabona and such so yilezo zinto otherwise siyasebenza nje
manje Dr. Brenda njengoba ngizwa nje ukhuluma where to from here for udoctor like ngiyakubona nje yazi mina ngiyakufisela nje ngendlela ukhuluma ngayo sengiyakubona nje ukuthi yabona nje njengoba kuzobe kukhona iphini likaqongqoshe nje hayi wena uyobungqongqoshe in the next years to come owezempilo and ngiyabona ukuthi hayi uyokwenza umsebenzi omuhle shuthi sengiyamanifest yabona
Sasiphetha
nje ke Dr. mhlawumbe singagcina ngokuthi sithe nje iseluleko sakho ongaba naso emntwini omusha osafisa naye ukuthi yazini iphupho lakho ukuthi angenela emkhakheni wezempilo.
Okay. Into engayisho kumuntu omusha ukuthi ngena ngoba inhliziyo yakho ikusakhona. Ungayi ngoba ulandele ukuthi uzobizwa ngokuthi ngudokotela ngizoba i-physiotherapist or inhliziyo yakho ibingekho. Ngoba le inomthelela ekutheni uzophatha kanjani abantu so sithi ngene emkhakheni idemand iningi umsebenzi mningi and sengiyangisho ngithi mina i-medicine is sexy sesikhuluma nangabo AI ne technology nani so umkhakha nje ovulelekile kuningi umuntu angakwenza ekuthinteni impilo zabantu usebenzisa italent onalo ekutheni uthinte impilo zabantu kodwa ngithi iya ngoba inhliziyo ithi ngiyaya laphayana ufika uzimisele futhi ngoba ngihlale ngisho ngithi abantu abagulayo abachuze ngesibhedlela fanele ingane ezifunda primary uhanjiswa umzali wakhe kuleso sikole baze esibhedlela abana choice ingoba abaphathekile kahle uyabona so bafanele bathola abantu aba right abawuthandayo umsebenzi nabayinakekelayo ekutheni baphumula khona bezokwazi ukubanakekela
yes doctor so manje sisakhona isikhala mhlawumbe makukhona udoctor omunye osase young osanda kuqala ukupractice officer ubayile ingcenye yale ngqungquthela noma mhlawumbe nje omunye umsebenzi wasesibhedlela nayo unama issues lapha asebenza khona officer ukuthi angathi xhumane nathi athola izeluleko mhlawumbe kuxhumaneka kanjani nawe
okay so ingqungquthela lamathikithi ethu ayatholakala ku cricket kodwa wonke amathikithi wabantu afanele ba-attende in person lapha e-Altron aphelile
yes
kodwa bayakwazi ukuthi bajoine online so baregister khona lapho and then bajoine online mase bejoinile kubalekile ukuthi bajoine lapho ngoba bazongena ku database sibe namagama abo so that mesiba nama programs yakwazi ukubathinta ukuthi ngesonto elithize o ngelanga elithize kuzobe kunaloko sikhuluma ngalokho bese beyeza o bakwazi ukusithinta so singaba encourage ukuthi maba register khona bezokwazi ukuattenda and then sizoba nabo ku database ngoba sinama program azoqhubeka
so mhlawumbe ngiyazi ukuthi ena la ngikhuluma about health workers but nje ibapha abanye mhlawumbe abangawazi ukuba ingxenye yale ngqungquthela ngaphandle mhlawumbe kwabasebenza kwi health mhlawumbe bakhona abanye abanama interest kwi health kodwa uthola ukuthi umuntu ayikho kwi health but unama interest abangeza kule ngqungquthela khona abangakuthola mabengayithamela
ngiyangithi mesibheka nje ama professional noma ngabe unesi uthisha yini isikhathi esiningi ama challenges esinawo ayafana so bengizothi ingaba interest kubona then abantu abafisa ukusupporta kwezempilo bengazi ukuthi basupporta kanjani njengamanje si rely kuma sponsors kakhulu ekutheni sikwazi ukuthi sibe nayo lengqungquthela njengabo Ultron njengabo Interflora nabanye futhi ne Clinics Health Group nayo ifakile imali so abanye abanesifiso sokusupporta uhealth yes I think bangalalela because kuloku ukulalela bazokwazi ukupick up izinto abangakwazi ukuyisupport
yes cha Dr Brenda sibonga kakhulu ke ngesikhathi sakho sikufisele konke ukukhanya nje sikufisele konke okuhle ingathi lenqungquthela ingahamba kahle so besibeka indlebe sibuka ukuthi hey hamba kanjani lenqungquthela sethembe baningi abazosizakala ngayo sibonga kakhulu ngesikhathi sakho namhlanje
ngibonge kakhulu nami usiphi nami
hayi ke umbukeli ke lo ke besixoxisana naye uDr Brenda kubheka kanti ke njengamanje umbukela ke sihle nje le nkulumo emnandi kade siba nayo nodokotela wethu ngomculo omnandi kaKhaylo iculo kasizolishaya manje lithi inhlanhla
Uthando qhubeke ngalo unika abanye ngoba we yakwethemba uyisibusiso empilweni zethu makukhanya izindleleni uhamba kuzo makuvuleke izigaba ume ufika uthole konke okufunayo ukufisela inhlanhla yonke I wish you the best wherever you go ukufisela inhlanhla yonke
Mbukeli yakhumbula ngigabisela ngama trends kuyindaba ezundaba zekwayo ngisho mina lezi ke eyishisa ibunzi sasifike ke nawo qathatha phela mina ngikhuluma into esuke ingekho yabona mangithi sizokuphathela ukuthi nangampela sokuphathela ukuthi ake singene ko ama trends ke sibone ukuthi maphi ke amathathu ahamba phambili namhlanje sino #pitchblackafro #ladies ama kanjalo no #bricks how pitch black afro yamkhumbula khona wasala wayeneshluthe eneno leyinkulu ecula pitch black afro
ngiyamkhumbula
so kuthiwani ke ngaye kule
kuyatsho ba hey ingathi mhlambe ingathi uphumile ejele uyaqonda into kubana ngaloko ebese ejele kuminyaka emibini edlulileyo
wazakhela igama phela ke ngengoma ethi pitch black afro nelene eyayithi ena matofotofo uthulani Howard wakwangcobo igama lakhe ngempela udedelwe ejele ngemva kokudonsa iminyaka emithathu ngesigameko sokubulawa kwesinqanda mathe sakhe umnyango ke wezokuhlunyelelwa kweyimili uqinisekisile ukuthi uNgcobo uhlomlile kanye kulolu hlelo lokwehliselwa kweyiboshwa isigwebo esibizwa ke ngokuthi ke i-special remission uNgcobo lona ke mbukeli wagwetshwa iminyaka eyishumi ngoJune wango2020 ngesikhathi kuyiCovid ilapho ke agwetshwa khona wagwetshwa u10 years kwakuJune ngesikhathi egwetshwa ngecala ke lokubulala ngokungenhloso ngokushona kaCatherine Modisane ngesikhathi ke bexabana okusho ukuthi ke manje ke usezodedelwa ke emva nje kweminyaka emithathu bebengeke behlale ke ababukeli bengaphefumula lapha ku x.com ake sibone ukuthi bathini The Gifted One enthusiast Utiena Pitch Black Afro and Oscar Pistorius were convicted for the same thing. Pitch was convicted in 2020 and got 10 years. Oscar was convicted in 2017 and got 13 years. Even if it's time served, Oscar is still in jail, but Pitch Black Afro is getting out so soon. Black women deserve better. Ish, madoda. Yabona uqhathanisa uOscar nayo Pitch Black uthi baboshelwe icala lodwa lokubulala ingqanda mathe bayithole 10 years kodwa usiyareleasewa ke ngonyaka wesithathu. Uthini uAndiswa?
uAndiswa naye uye waphefumula pha ku-X.com esisho into yokubana I cannot believe Pitch Black Afro is out on parole. The justice system yakule country is messed up. The very same government that preaches against GBV is releasing these animals left, right and center. I only wonder uyazi intobani yayi usabambe ongazansi akayikholela into yokubana uphumile lo ka Pitch Black Afro. Uyasitsho kaloku into yokubana le justice system yalapha eMzantsi Afrika nakubeni nje isitsho into yokubana ichasene nokulwa okanye nokulwa kwesine sinye iGBV. Uyamangala xa kusenzeka lena into. Basithi chunqembe sijonga abanye baphefumule besithini.
Untsieni unado uthena our country justice system is enabler to gruesome crime spree. I'm of the view that murderers, rapists, drug dealers and GBV perpetrators must not see a day out of the rest of their lives. If need be, hashtag bring back death penalty. I guess lelo hashtag yethu yesibili ke ethi hashtag uLady Zama. Usenzeni nkosi yami uLady Zama Kholos?
uLady Zama imvumo kaloku esiyazi into yokubana iyachukumisa ingcambu zabaninzi ngomculo wakhe onambithekayo. uLady Zama ke ukhuphe umhla nesihloko somculo apho ke ezawukhupha khona kumaqonga akhe onxibelelwano kuquka elika Instagram. Uyakhumbula ke mbukeli nawe mamtshali ukuba le mvumi yakhe yaba ngundaba mlonyeni kunyaka ka2017 emva kokuba ke yabeka ityala lokudlwengulwa nguSjava nekukhaneleka ukuba wayeli qabane ancomisana nalo ngoko. uLady Zama ke uthi uyazisola ngento eyathi yenzeka pha ku2017 yayesele ngoku iminyaka emithathu etyabeke okaSjava ngamatyala odlwengulo. Siyaqonda mbukeli into yobana xa kuthi nkqi igama likaLady Zama asikwazi uyilibala kaloku lanto eyenzeka ngo2017 apho kaloku uLady Zama ebesisho into yokubana uyatyhola uSjava ngokuba amdlwengule. Uthi ke xa ikhupha icwecwe sibone pha kumakhasi onxibelelwane abalandeli bakaSjava ke nabomculo ngokubanzi bephundile besithi hey asikayilibali lento eyenzeka ngo2017. Asiyazi mbukele yona into eyenzeka kodwa ke ityala ke lavela ngobunjalo balo. Kanti ke pha ku-X.com baye baphefumula ngalomba uyatsho ke the man esisho into yokubana Lady Zama is about to release her new banger single titled Castles. I'm in love. Uyatsho ke the man into yokubana akakwazi ukuyilinda le single as I release uLady Zama ethi Castles. Uyatsho ke into yokubana noko naye chukumiseke ingqambi yenhliziyo yakhe inoba ke mhlambe uyithethe wayiva kancinci uthi uyayithanda. Chuncembe sijonge ke ubanye baphefumule besithini.
Lyrical Lisedi uthi I love this song so much. Hey, your voice gets me every time. Hayi kubuya ngazi ukuthi ke wonke umuntu lapha nokhuluma nje ngeculo elisha ese uLady Zama azol release abalijabula kakhulu ke abantu bathi balithakasela. uPebbles yena uthi Castles we are ready for you. Thank you Lady Zama. Igama leculo iCastles ishuthi yilo leliqeda kuphuma ke ababukeli nje bebesho ukuthi cha balijabulela lelo culo lakhe athe walikhipha. Kuyajabulisa ke ukubona nje ukuthi ke for a change at least mangabe khulunywa ngoLady Zama lapha ko Twitter akekho sakhulume okunye wonke umuntu usenake lokhu Lady Zama akwenza ukukhiqiza umculo. Mbukeli ke sesibamba lapho ke ezama trends besiniphathile zona namhlanje okwamanje ke ake sithi nje ke sibheke i-hashtag yokugcina yethu ethi #BRICS. Lapha yana ke eBRICS ngolunye phela udouble sematheni ke mbukeni lo ngqungquthela bibanjelwe lapha eNingizimu Afrika. Uzokhumbula mbukeli ukuthi bekukhona iBrazil, iChina, iSouth Africa kanye nezwe iIndia. Kodwa ke manje sekunamazwe engeziwe afaka phakathi iUAE, Saudi Arabia, Argentina ke njalo njalo. Phela mbukeli iBRICS inhlanganisela yamazwe ahlukahlukene anquma ukuba nesivumelwano sokusebenzisana ndawonye ukuze ukuze phela kuchushiswane kuphinde futhi kwelekelelwane nangamasa aphusile okuthuthukisa ke imnotho yalamazwe. Ake sizwe ukuthi abantu baphefumule bathini njengoba nje izolo cha wonke umuntu bekhuluma nje ngale these 6 countries eseyingenile za edwa lapha yana kwi BRICS. Unari Vitashi uthi 15 ways BRICS will change the world by fixing harmful distortions that give huge levels of power to a country that elected itself world policemen while having just 4% of the planet's population. Ake sizwe komunye olandelayo ukuthi yena uphefumula uthini ngalolu daba lwe BRICS.
Unuri okanye uJackson uyathi into yokubana BRICS now controls 80% of global oil production with the admission of UAE, Iran and Saudi Arabia. Kunqembe sijonge abanye baphefumule besithini uZenando uyathi into yokubana to all Americans who are shaken by BRICS summit, don't worry, when your dollar collapses, we will give you aid like you used to do. Biyahleka nohleka ke umuntu asekhaya.
Hayi cha udaba lwe BRICS lolana impela it's quite an interesting one because umuntu uyabheka lapha na wena mbukeli njengoba nje sekwengeziwe ngalama countries awu6 asengeziwe lapha kwi BRICS usiyabona ukuthi njengamanje iBRICS imekutheni inamazwe ayisithupha okuyiwona ke azikhondla khondla uma bekuziwa ke kuyi oil okuyiwona ke akhiqiza uoil iSaudi Arabia kuyiyo ikhona lapha yana iIran uyabona siyayibona nje indawo impela ke lawa ama countries amaningi okuyiwona ke akhiqiza uoil kakhulukazi nje kuyi top 9 ikhona okusho ukuthi thina noma ke la kwi BRICS sina amazwe ayisithupha okuyiwona ke akhiqiza uoil that is quite powerful impela lokho kusho ukuthi hayi bazobe benamandla okwamanje ke mbukela ke sinje ke qu 8 lo sizobuya emva kwekhefu.
Enkosi ngokuhlala nathi nisibukele apha ekhaya Jikelele mbukeli ke njengokuba usiva oko iqalile inqubo siyasakhabelisa kaloku kumculo onambithekayo kaye kaloku uKhaylo lemvumi ke mbukeli yaziwa kakhulu ngengoma zayo ezithi Greatest Love, Cry for Love kunye ne The Soul Cafe. Hayike xa icula mbukeli ndithi nalo ngenasinqanda mathe sakhe uvuthulula ibhatya yofuna ubambo lwakhe. Khaylo.
Hello.
Mr. 24 hours himself.
So what?
Unjani?
Ngiyaphila unjani?
Ndiyaphila nami. Yazi the time ubu performer ukusukela nje ngo6 umamtshali can attest to this. Oko ndisiva into okubana jonga ndiziva umoya wami uphezulu. Yo umculo wakho jonga uyandibusisa. Ndiqinisekile it's not just me but I mean a lot of people that receive your music. It's soul medication and quite surprisingly because ndiyabona into okubana ufaka uthando kwingoma yakho yesibini benibona into okubana kulapho uqhagamshelana nomdali ucela uthi mdali please give me the strength, give me the wisdom. For umuntu mhlambe wena Khaylo ongawazi umculo wakho ungawucacisa uthini?
So I mean I believe ukuthi I make good music. I make music that's the heart's expression. I make music that feeds the soul basically. I like making ngithanda ukwenza umculo opholisayo yabo. Yeah.
And then it falls under which genre? Because I picked up into bana ukhona nobu gospel obuthile, there's R&B, there's also the infusion of the modern one. So ungathi mhlambe ufalla under which genre?
The good music genre.
The good music genre.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
I love that. I mean, sele ucule na phesheya kwamalwandle and I must tell you this, I was so surprised xa ndivala ngoma yakho ethi 24 hours. In my mind mina bendithi mhlambe ingoma ya phesheya. Funny enough, I met up with uMalungelo. Uyangicacisela into okubana you guys have worked together and you have collaborated kwinto yomculo. Uthi no, ngolapha eMzantsi. Ndithi mhlambe especially that part yesiZulu ndithi no, ngumuntu mhlambe waphesheya ofunda lyrics zesiZulu. I was so surprised and I mean this proved okubana iR&B because iR&B sithanda ukumamela kakhulu kumculo waphesheya but you are taking it apha ekhaya and uyayivuselela just something that is just extraordinary.
Yeah, I've worked with Mr. Malungelo, Sir, on Jola, no Unati. I've also collaborated na Yegu Omtali. Yeah, very, very good friend of mine. 24 Hours, very, very beautiful song. Obviously, we have Wutingi Pale from the heart. Yeah, and thank you to everyone that's, streamed it, downloaded it, because it's done quite impressive numbers. On TikTok, it's like on 63 million views.
Yeah.
So, it shows ukuthi umdali uyezwa, masithandaza. Yeah.
And I mean, uthetha into ebalulekileyo uthi le ngoma uyibhale from enhlizweni yakho. Naye umuntu, I'm asking for a friend.
That's personal.
Yeah?
That's personal.
That's personal. Yeah, meaning that now you personal.
Phela mina ngithengisa umculo hayi.
Phela bayabuza ku TikTok njengoba usisho into kubana it has reached 63 million. I looked through the comments. Uhamba icafe udanisa ushaya nonene. But ana unaye lona umuntu, so I'm asking for my friends on TikTok bafuna ukwazi nje.
I have music.
You have music.
Lots of music.
So they can apply for music.
Yes.
Wow. So uye wa perform ya phesheya, ndiyakhalela ukwazi into kubana phesheya kwaMalandle, how have they received your music?
Man, look, they keep bringing me back. Abantu bayajabulela umculo wami, and I guess it's also exciting, but some of these songs when you listen to them, ngati I'm not from South Africa, but I take pride in the fact that I'm from this country, and that's why ngifaka isiZulu, ngifaka ulwimi lwethu, because obviously ngicula ngesingisi to reach a broader audience, but I need not forget la ngibuya khona or who I am. Yeah.
Staying grounded and rooted in who you are.
Definitely.
And I know that kumculo lakho you have collaborated with ezinye artists. Ungathi mhlambe phakathi kwe artist owathi wasebenzana nazo. Ngoba qonda bajonga ndifuna siyiphindele way. And what are some of the artists njengoba usitsho into kubana nami ndinqina into yokubana umculo wakho umuntu ongaza ngathi mhlambe usuka phesheya. So zeziphi artists xa ujongi lapha eMzantsi Africa that you'd also love to collaborate with?
There's a lot. There's a lot. I mean, there's Young Stana, there's Tato Soul, from Pretoria, there's Baning, man, and in terms of repetition, I would work with them again. I would bring back my friend DJ Somebody and go in studio with him and work again. I would work with Black Coffee again. I would work with Louis Vega again. I enjoy working nabantu. So, yeah.
Amazing. Yeah. Mlomo uyadala mhlambe bazawuthi Trin Kalo, let's collaborate. Because I mean, it would be nice because I love this whole collaboration between R&B, sithi siyajonga mhlambe kube nemaskandi feel Kalo and Maskandi.
Yeah.
So I mean, I'd really love to see you partaking in those genres. I mean, umculo wakho Kalo njengositsho into kubana ubhala umculo to heal. And then ngathi into kubana ichiza mhlambe ozalifumana ekhemist mhlambe alinokwazi upholisa, but your music heals wounds that medicine cannot. Ungathi mhlambe, I mean, as an artist njengokuba kudala urelease ingoma, ungathi intoni yekwenze waba relevant kude kube ngoku?
Firstly, I think staying true to myself. Yes, you must remember there are different sounds that come every day. Different styles of music, my genre are different. I stay true to what I do. I mean, I don't try to sound like the next person. But I think more than that, featuring other artists, artist keeps you relevant because sometimes you drop higher and when you're not dropping. So being on their project will definitely keep you in touch with the people.
And I mean, abantu bayabuza na ku TikTok because I think nandikwazele ku TikTok bayabuza into kubana yintoni abangayilindela kuye uKalo. I know, I mean, abanye abantu bayakwazi from either Soul Cafe, now it's 24 hours. Zeziphi mhlambi projects that you're currently working on that people can look forward to?
I'm working on a Afro project. Afro as in the whole genre, the whole spectrum, Afro tech to Afro beats. I'm working with Blueprint, Blueprint Studios. They own a record label as well, so it's a collaboration of the two. Yeah, there's a song that I did, the name of the song is Intlantla. That's actually my next single. I'm dropping it very soon, so this was like an exclusive. So yeah, I'm about to drop a whole body of work. I'm not sure if I'm going to drop it this year because it's late, and you know, you don't want to drop music in the noise. Maybe I'll drop it in January.
In January. Xa sesilahliwe mntakabawo ubuye ngathi ukuthi hey come back because ngoDecember kaloku abantu but I mean usiperformele ingoma ezimnandi kakhulu and I mean ngiyaqonda ubana mhlawumbe ngepho uzosiperformela wena uzosiperformela yona xa siyiqwela inqubo yethu.
I'm going to do 24 hours.
Yo. Yeah. Natape Ekhaya Jikelele, we want you for 24 hours. Kodwa ke ixesha luchaba. Siyabulela kakhulu ngokuba usindwendwele. We wish you all the best kumculo wakho. Is there something that you'd love to say to your fans, especially on TikTok? Into ongayithanda ukuyitsho kubo?
I want to thank them. Ngiyabonga for everything, for downloading my song, for streaming it. Keep supporting Kelo Music. Keep the love alive. Tandanan.
Wow.
Yeah.
And I have a love story to share ngalengoma. But andizuyishare apha emoyeni. Sentsho lento bana umculo uyathungelana kwaye uyavuselela. This song, I have a love story to tell. Thank you so much for healing us. Kumculo wakho siyawuthanda kakhulu. Keep on shining. Esixhosa ke sithi tingantakandini. Kodwa ke nenkwenkwezi asoze zikunqande. Right? Thank you so much. Mbukeli we Ekhaya Jikelele lo besincokola naye nguye kaloku uKelo. Esinabela banzi ke mbukeli ngohambo lwakhe kwicandelo lomculo. Kanti ke awukwazi into kubana uqhushalaze kuba kaloku xa siqwela siqonqotha uzasiperformela ingoma emnandi ethi 24 hours. Nathi ke si Ekhaya Jikelele sikufuna 24 hours. Kodwa ke uyayazi into kubana ixesha luchaba. Hayi ke masithume umntwana evenkileni siyabuya wena ungayindawo.
I want you for 24 hours. 24 hours. I want you for
Ake mbukeli silivala kanjalo ke isonto kwazise asikho phela ngempela sonto. Siyazi ke ukuthi uzosikhumbula sethemba ukuthi ke ukujabulele ke ukuhlala nathi isonto lonke. Siyavalelisa ke sinomadlongothi lolu hlelo lwethulwa yimini noxolo nokholosa lulawulwa ke ngumdidiyelo semkantshubomvu Calvin wakwadludla okuyena ke ohlela izigaba zohlelo ngokwehlukana kwazo amahora amathathu wonke. Sibonga kakhulu ke nasethimbeni ke elifaka phakathi somsindo uchwepheshe uLakhi Makamo kanye nje nomqondisi ke uZungu uBrasofti. Sikushiya nje ngoma yomculi uKelo kodwa hayi nomadlongothi nayo safuna ukuthi bye bye.
Akhona enza ipapayisa mna ndihamba noKelo. Papayini ne? Nani papayini mna ndihamba noKelo esithi 24 hours nathi besingathanda wethu mbukeli we Ekhaya Jikelele into kubana sibe nawe 24 hours kodwa ke ixesha luchaba uKelo unqangile sithi I want you for 24 hours. Sinthanda ngothando luka love. Chawi.
Nisale kahle.
no one in the world that looks like you. Everything you do, it looks so good. In my eyes, I see nothing better than you. Many girls, they try, none are better than you. From the bottom of my temple up, I'm crazy about you. Everything that I want, I see in you. Hey babe, ooh, singing bad. Ooh, singing bad. Angekho umuntu ofana nawe. Nothing's better than having you around. Nothing's better than seeing you smiling. Nothing's better than having you in my arms. I want you for 24 hours. 24 hours. I want you for 24 hours. 24 hours. From Exin. From the beginning of the day till the sun goes down. The feeling of your skin is like your emotions. I feel the love from the inside. I'm crazy about you. I want you for 24 hours. 24 hours. Something about the way you always give it to me. No rhyme or reason, but I always wanna be with you. Hey, for 24 hours. I swear on my life. 24 hours. Nothing's better, 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 baby, better. Nothing's better than seeing you smiling. Nothing's better than having you arms. I want you for 24 hours. I really do. 24 hours. I want you for 24 hours. I really do. 24 hours. There's nothing better. There's nothing better. There's nothing better. See you smiling.